out, check it out, check it out, guys. Happy Halloween. Woo! Who do we got here? We got the police. Don't arrest me, don't arrest me. And who we got there next to the police is the killer clown. All right, we got the killer clown there. Where's your weapon, killer clown? Happy Halloween, guys. What are you guys doing? Sharing out candies? Having fun? We're not picking up candy today, we're sharing. All right, let's see what we got. Welsh. I don't know. Out of that. Check out Jenna. Jenna is the police officer. What's your officer name?
Randy stop sign.
Officer Randy stop sign?
Randy stop sign.
You having fun? Okay. So it's not all about collecting, right? You gotta give sometimes. So this year you're giving out. You're not collecting this year. Jenna got her frog machine and stuff going there.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel.
It's your local family with Rita and Krishna.
I hope everyone is having a good day.
Thank you in advance for watching, and we hope that you enjoy this video.
Please subscribe to our channel.
And share with everyone.
We have here, hi uncle, what you doing?
We just come home from work and we see you get some snack from here, so we want to check them out.
Yeah, you're gonna bingo cut cane. Krishna wake up every morning at 4:15 every morning.
You gotta cut cane. How
Wait.
you think we making a living?
What do you do for a living?
Cut cane.
Come on, let's go. I got you a nice treat.
Big bottle of coconut water, you see? There.
The best brand, Dave.
Yep, temperature gone up again. So let's see what Rita got me here. She got me a light snack here. Oh, nice doubles here. Let's see. This is doubles from Lyman Cafe right here in East Orange, New Jersey. All right, let's see what we got inside. I told them to make this one spicy, so let me see if it's real spicy. I guess we got chana curry, and we got some achar here.
You drooling.
Of course, man. All day since morning 4 o'clock, me wake up and go cut cane, and you get me light snack here. What you expect me to do? Alright, how you eat doubles? How some people are broke them, some people are hold them together, right?
Like a sandwich.
Alright, so I'm holding it like a sandwich, but
It's good.
let me say for the sweetness here. It's good. It's carry like this achar that they use. I don't think it's mango achar. It carry like a sweet and sour taste to it, which is good. It brings out a good flavor to it, and the chana curry is also good.
One day make doubles for us.
Definitely I'll try.
Wash it down with some coconut water, man. You're real hungry.
Let's check out Dave brand coconut water here. This coconut water comes
Shake it more.
from Cameroon. Want to shake more?
Yeah.
Okay, still have to shake more. Still
Ice up.
ice up. Let's just come break up the ice. Yeah, so this is coconut water from Cameroon then. Cameroon is in the SQ, right?
You're asking the wrong person.
Alright. And today we got
I never leave Berbice. I only went to Georgetown when I went to get my visa.
Okay.
I'm just
So
kidding.
one of these days I'm going to take you to Cameroon to get some fresh water coconut.
Yeah, so we don't have to buy frozen.
Cameroon water coconut is the best. I know you guys might be curious one is the best because you never had Cameroon one, right?
Oh my god. Enjoy.
It's good, nice and refreshing.
And guys, check this out. We get some nice crab. Check it out. Fresh. My parents catch this yesterday and they give it to us. I don't know how much is here. I'm gonna check it. I'm gonna clean it. When my dad was sketching it, my mom, she take this part off, so I have to just clean it. What kind of crab is this, Krishna? Blue crab?
Look like blue crab.
Yeah, I think this is blue crab family. So today we're gonna make some nice blue crab curry crab. And if you guys wanna see where we catch this crab, let me know. Check it out. My dad made a video, but he put it on time lapse, so that's why I couldn't post it. So check it out, family. Next time they go back, I'm gonna show you guys. So I'm gonna clean it and we're gonna start cooking it. So stay tuned, family. Stay tuned. While Krishna digging boy, digging his bike here.
That's my mode of transportation.
Yeah.
Going green, saving the planet.
Yes, family. Beautiful day here in New Jersey. Hot, 80 degrees today. We outside.
But then we're gonna run back inside.
Check this out, family. I finished cleaning the crab. 21 crab is there, but I didn't cut it in two because they're not huge crab. So I gotta hustle clean it up. I got some vinegar here. I gotta hustle up get the crab fresh, right? It might wanna loose up. I can't play too much of them.
Yes. So look what I got here. We clean up the crab. Now Rita clean up the crab real good there, right? Let me not take you credit.
Yeah. You help, man.
Alright, so we got 21 blue crab here. And guess what we making with it? Curry. No, me and my like put curry everything, right? You can steam the crab. What else you can do with it, Rita?
You can boil them. I don't know if you can boil crab.
Alright, well, the Guyanese are curry everything that we get. And also put some coconut milk on them. Flavor it up real good. So I got all my ingredients here.
Check it out, guys.
Yep. Now, while I'm adding it in, we'll let you guys know the details, alright?
And listen, when I was cleaning the crab, I see egg inside, and the egg look just like Hassa egg. So if you eat crab egg, drop a comment, let me know if it's good to eat. I throw it, Krishna make me throw it out.
I never had it, so I don't know. Alright, so let me put some oil in here to warm up to get my crab curry going. And
Decent amount.
this week we got good weather. You see, we're outside, short sleeve. Summer come back, but it's not gonna last too long. So we're making the most and enjoying it while it lasts, right? I think 2 more days, right, Rita?
Yeah.
And then it's gonna go back down again. We're probably gonna be in lockdown for what? About 5 to 6 months, right?
Yep.
Not lockdown, but we're gonna be in cold weather. Me and man, I like cold weather.
I like when it's hot. Me too.
Yeah. If it's over hot, no problem. Cold, no.
100 degree and me and Krishna are outside.
Yep. Everybody in the inside is staying there. We see how we there outside the backyard are swinging this swing.
Yep.
Alright, so we'll let this warm up. Sure. Onion and pepper. Nice hot oil there. See there? Nice and warm there. And here, I got my onion and pepper in there. Here I got some bay leaf and some fresh curry leaf that we got there. Right off the tree. And this curry leaf here just makes it smell real good. You can smell it there, Rita? I'm barely standing back here. Check it out there. Real nice. Here I got curry powder, masala, some turmeric, and some nice grind jeera there. I got some ground garlic and some green seasoning. I'm gonna add some water in there to get my masala go in there. Check it out.
Nice. Smell good.
Alright. A little bit more water. So we're not gonna burn. Here I got some paprika, some Mr. Dash red chili powder. Check out the masala, see how it's coming along there, Rita?
Nice.
Looking good, right?
Yep.
Here I got my crab here.
21
Nice
crab.
21 blue crab here. Salt.
That's the last thing we always put in the food. Why, Krishna?
Because the seasoning that we're using, all the seasoning, right? They have some type of salt in it, so we gotta watch, see what we have there. Alright? So let's mix this bad boy up there. We're gonna get some nice coconut milk or curry crab there.
You see Krishna drew already. You and Ethan gonna enjoy this.
Alright, now left some for you. Yeah, don't worry. Now left some for 20 to hit. 21 to hit. I must left you one.
I don't eat crab.
Alright, so more for me.
Me and Jen don't eat crab.
Alright, so we're gonna let this bunjay with the masala there. You not eat a lot of things, man. You know what the hell wrong with you. I don't know why I miss out one. Alright, so let's cover this up and make bunjay.
And we also cook what we cook today: dal, rice, bhaji, coconut choka, and fried fish.
Yeah, we cook a lot of stuff today. Not we. Rita was cooking a lot of stuff while I was at work.
Yeah, and the reason why I cook out the crab is because I don't want it to go in the freezer. My parents get it fresh and they give us a big up to man on a day.
Yep. Thank you guys for this nice crab that's always coming along there.
Yeah.
Fresh. Right off the Atlantic Ocean.
No, don't stay where they catch it.
Atlantic Ocean, the big one.
I asked my parents to take me to video it. What they say? They don't want to show.
They don't want to show the secret location.
Yeah, because we're 5 sisters and they have to give the crab to all of us when they catch.
Yeah, so if we put it if we put it on video, everybody will see it and they'll catch out off.
Yes, that's what my dad said. If I video it, we're not you guys are not gonna get crab anymore. And it's so simple to catch. I think in 10 minutes they catch like a blake or something.
Yeah, man, but you don't have to worry. They can share the location. The ocean is big enough and get enough for everybody. So we gotta tell them to open up. Share it up.
Share the location, Daddy.
So come on there, Rita. Let's check this thing out here.
Ooh,
So this one we're not gonna
succulent.
So this we're not gonna bunjay for too long. Okay, this one not half fat like meat, right? So we're gonna have to go in with our coconut milk. And this coconut milk we're gonna keep them outside. Because the weather was a little bit cold. Now you warm up, but the thing not right. Good.
Only a tap. It's like
On the
that.
top part, yeah. Because the weather warm up real good, so I got most of it out there, alright? So take a look there, girl. See? I don't want to turn it up too much.
Yeah.
This crab is young
Delicate.
and soft. So I might just give it a gentle turn here. And then we'll cover it up again and let it continue to boil. So look what Rita hooked me up with here today. Crown Royal. Big up to all the Canadian there, right? We're drinking Canadian whiskey today.
How much percent alcohol is that?
40%.
Wow.
40%. So let me see if we can get this seal open up. You might have struggle to open the bottle. But once you open, forget about it.
You're not struggling if you drink them though.
That's what I just said, right? Once you open, forget about it. Alright, so who wants some? Alright, you guys take the first shot if you're drinking.
You're not throw one for them buying, sir?
Too late now. Which bite?
I see you throw rum sometime on the ground and I ask you why you doing that. You say, that's what you said, you throw one for them buying, sir.
You see the big man used to do that back in the day, so you know them doing from that fella. But now we figure.
Monkey see, monkey do.
Now we figure me can't do that. It's bottle too big. If me throw it someday, one could be one less for me. So, sorry for you. Alright, let's try it straight and then I'm gonna add some salsa water there, alright? Cheers.
Happy weekend.
Tastes good. It's a good flavor to it there. Make me want to go Canada now. We'll get some more. What do you
Drink
say?
more, quick, club, go Canada, man.
Drink more quick? Alright.
Yeah.
I'm gonna burn up the throat now. The throat not that strong, but that's why I get blended up with some salsa water a little bit. Alright, so we'll let this cool down for a little bit. Normally I tell you guys a joke. Let me tell you a quick story today. There's a lady driving an expensive car. She and her friend drive by on the road corner. She see a farmer sell egg. The man get 1 dozen egg and he sell the egg for $3. The lady stopped and he bargained with the guy. He asked the man, give me this egg, 1 dozen egg. But I sell for $3. I'll give you $2.50. The farmer said, okay, go ahead. You're my first customer today. So anyway, the lady buy the egg and later that evening, she and her friend go to a restaurant. She pull into an expensive restaurant, order expensive meal. They barely eat a little bit. And when the bill come $150. give the restaurant people $200 and she left. The moral of the story is we always try to give to the people who don't need, and the small guy, we always try to squeeze every drop out of them. Cheers.
Well said.
Check it out there, Rita. Cheers coming along there. I'm gonna give it some water so it can boil real good. Like we said, it's not gonna take too long. Give it a nice amount there so everything can cover up and boil there. Alright? Looking good there.
Maybe a little bit more water or no?
A little more?
Yeah, to
Alright.
cover it. Yeah.
That's good, Rita?
Yeah.
Alright. Rita is the boss. Rita is the director and the producer there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. So this may be another 10 or 15 minutes and we should have crab meat ready to eat.
Crab feast, more like.
Come on family, let's check in on this crab there. See how this crab curry coming out.
Wow, nice. You
Looking
want
good
to turn
there, right?
off?
Smells good. You
Yeah,
try this there,
let me
Rita?
turn it
Alright,
off.
turn it off there. Let's take a look how this is looking there. What do you call this? Shatak matak.
Yeah.
Alright. You're gonna top it off with some nice scallion there, or shallot, right? Alright, can't wait to eat this there.
Like, can I make it with non-gravy or man?
No, you don't want this with too much gravy. Nice and, we call this bunjal crab. This is good. Alright, so we're gonna get to eat this right around there.
Ken Kota in action!
Alright, check out my dinner here, how this is looking. Rice and crab curry there, right? Let me give you guys a 360 of the plate. Come on and capture a 360 here. See how this is looking. Crab meat is looking. Chatak matak there. Alright? Alright, let's dig in with this bad boy. Go in with the crab directly. See, take a look. Oh, I didn't get any meat here. You see. This is nice and soft, cook real good. With the coconut milk and the way we curried it here, it tastes really good. I know some people like steamed crab and stuff, right? But you gotta try this one, the curry style with the coconut milk here. Check out this crab, it's nice and soft. This is the inside of it here. Blue crab is very flavorful. If you guys haven't tried, make sure you go to Sandy Hook Beach and catch some there, or Sandy Hook Bay off of the Atlantic. I'll give you guys a location now.
They sell it in the supermarket too.
Sell it in the supermarket, but if you want to catch your own one fresh, right? I continue to eat on my dinner here. Thank you guys for watching, right? Hope you enjoy how we make this.